Modification of Yamaha TC-511 cassette deck. The Yamaha TC-511 is a 1976 edition, weighing 8 kg with measurements of 435 by 160 by 334 mm and available in either black or silver. 2-head, solitary compact cassette deck type with a track system of 4-track, 2-channel stereo. Tape speed of 4.8 cm per second. Frequency response of 30 Hz to 15 kHz. Handles removed. Added on and off LED indicator light. Both sides of matte black finish changed to gloss black by adding black gloss acrylic perspex plastic sheet. Power cable upgraded for better sound quality. Inside lamp upgraded to LED light. Removed old feet and new aluminum isolation feet added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.